Welcome back to Cosmopolitan Academy's channel. Today we're going to break down one of the most in-demand skin treatments in the beauty industry globally, microneedling. If you're brand new to this service, or if you've been offering it but aren't seeing the results that you think you should be seeing for your clients, and you want more for your clients, this video is for you. I'll be walking you through a step-by-step beginner-friendly guide to microneedling so that you can understand the technique, but also the tools and the common mistakes that could be costing you and holding back your clients. So let's dive in and get you and your clients the glowing skin transformation microneedling is meant to deliver. Step 1, skin prep. The first step to a great microneedling session starts with proper skin prep. Always begin with a thorough cleanse to remove makeup, oil, and impurities. Then disinfect the area with an antiseptic solution. This ensures that the skin is clean and reduces the risk of infection. For client comfort, apply a topical numbing cream if needed and allow it to sit for the recommended time before starting. Step 2. We want to choose the right needle depth. Your results depend heavily on selecting the correct needle depth. For beginners, stay conservative. 0.25 to half a millimeter for improving product absorption and superficial skin texture. 0.5 to 1 millimeter if you want to target fine lines, enlarged pores, and light scarring. 1 to 2 millimeter for deeper acne scars and wrinkles, but only with proper training and confidence. Going too deep too soon can cause unnecessary trauma to your skin. So stay up to 1 millimeter if you're a beginner, just to be safe until you get comfortable. Step 3, setting up your device. Always use a professional medical grade microneedling device with sterile single-use cartridges. Set your speed and depth according to the area you're working on. For example, delicate areas like under the eyes require shallower depth and slower speed, while the cheeks and the forehead can handle a little bit more intensity. Step 4, technique and passes. Work in sections and always keep your strokes controlled. A good method is to move in 4 passes per section: horizontal, vertical, diagonal one way, and then diagonal the opposite way. This ensures even coverage and maximum collagen stimulation without overworking the skin. That's important. Remember, you're aiming for pinpoint bleeding, not excessive trauma. Step 5, watching for feedback. Every client's skin reacts differently. Look for mild redness and slight pinpoint bleeding. That's your sign you're in the right depth. If the skin looks overly inflamed or you see scratches instead of clean channels, your technique or depth may need some adjusting. Step 6, post-treatment protocol. Once you've completed the complete microneedling facial, apply a soothing serum packed with hyaluronic acid, peptides, and/or growth factors to boost healing and hydration. Avoid anything harsh like retinol or acids immediately after. This can actually burn the skin. Always finish with an SPF recommendation because the skin will be even more sensitive to skin exposure, even on their drive home. Step 7, client education and aftercare. Make sure your client knows what to expect. Slight redness for 24 to 48 hours, mild flaking, and gradual improvement over the next few weeks as collagen rebuilds. Advise them to avoid heavy workouts, makeup, or harsh skincare for at least 24 to 48 hours post-treatment. Consistency is key. Most clients need a series of 3 to 6 treatments spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart for optimal results. Make sure they understand this. My name's Alana Beman, founder of Cosmopolitan Academy. You may have seen me on the TV show Legacy Makers or in one of the many publications globally. As a global beauty business coach, trainer, and artist, I've been helping businesses just like you learn how to not just maximize your skill and make more money in the beauty industry, but also to get comfortable and confident repeat clients. Don't forget, it's your subscribe that makes it possible for us to keep giving this free content. And as our appreciation for your view, don't forget to take our free Beauty Academy audit. Not all academies are actually created equal in this industry. So if you're looking to take new courses, use our guide to help you choose the right PMU Academy for you. We'll see you in our next video where we dive into the microneedling cartridges explained. We'll see you there.